When it comes to protecting the hull of an aluminum boat, Pettit has you covered. Aluminum can be a tricky substrate to protect from corrosion and fouling. This video will walk you through Pettit's recommended process to make sure that your hull is adequately protected so you can fully enjoy your time on the water. The first step is to tape the waterline. After you've taped the waterline, you will need to prep the hull using Pettit's Bio Blue Hull Surface Prep number 92 and nylon scuff pads. This will remove any oils, grease, or protective wax coatings put on at the factory. Roll the Bio Blue onto a 2 by 3 foot area with a short nap, 3/16 inch roller, and scrub the Bio Blue into the surface. Once done scrubbing, remove the Bio Blue and any debris from the surface with a garden hose or pressure washer before the Bio Blue dries. If painting inside, you can remove the residue with a sponge. Clean the sponge often and use fresh water only. Repeat these steps until the entire hull has been cleaned. The next step is to create a mechanical etch in the surface. You could do this by sandblasting with a non-metallic media or a disc sander with 60 to 80 grit sandpaper. You will need to sand until the aluminum has a bright finish. Once you're done sanding, wipe the surface clean with rags and Pettit's 120 brushing thinner to remove any oils, sanding dust, or blasting media from the substrate. Immediately after sanding and cleaning, it is important to coat the bare aluminum with 2 coats of Pettit's AlumaProtect Epoxy Primer 4400/4401. AlumaProtect is a 2-component, 1-to-1 mix ratio strontium chromate primer that protects against corrosion and promotes maximum adhesion for the following epoxy barrier coat and anti-fouling coatings. Begin by mixing Part A and Part B of AlumaProtect separately until they are well mixed. Then combine equal parts of Part A and Part B together and mix thoroughly. After mixing Part A and Part B together, allow the mixture to induce for 15 minutes at 70 degrees Fahrenheit until beginning application. AlumaProtect can be applied by brush, roller, or conventional or airless sprayer. Coat the hull with a wet film thickness of 3.6 mils. Use a wet film thickness gauge to ensure uniform coverage. Let AlumaProtect dry for a minimum of 4 hours at 70 degrees before applying the second coat. The second coat must be applied within 96 hours of the first coat. For additional information regarding dry and recoat times, refer to AlumaProtect's product data sheet. After applying 2 coats of AlumaProtect, you will need to apply 2 coats of Pettit Protect High Build Epoxy Primer. Pettit Protect is an industry-leading, heavy-duty, high-build, 2-component epoxy barrier coating that provides maximum protection in all environments. Pettit Protect protects from water intrusion and provides an excellent bonding surface for anti-fouling coatings. Mix both Part A and Part B of Pettit Protect individually. Combine 3 parts of Part A to 1 part of Part B and mix together thoroughly. After mixing Part A and Part B together, allow the mixture to induce for 15 minutes at 70 degrees before beginning application. Pettit Protect can be applied multiple ways. Can be applied by brush, roller, or spray. You must coat the hull with a wet film thickness of 7.1 mils. Use a wet film thickness gauge to ensure uniform coverage. Let Pettit Protect dry for 3 hours at 70 degrees before applying the second coat. The second coat can be applied within 60 days of the first coat if weather becomes an issue. For additional information regarding dry times, recoat or overcoat times, refer to the product data sheet for Pettit Protect. After applying the 2 coats of Pettit Protect, the vessel is now ready for anti-fouling paint. Pettit has many great anti-fouling options available. Here's a couple suggestions. If an economical yet effective product is desired in low to moderate fouling waters, please consider Pettit's Eco HRT. If the vessel will be harbored in an area with aggressive fouling, Pettit's Odyssey Triton would be the perfect solution. For further assistance selecting an anti-fouling bottom paint, our perfect pick tool can be found at pettitpaint.com or contact our customer service department at 800-221-4466. To access product data sheets or safety data sheets for any products mentioned in this video, please visit pettitpaint.com.